Yeah, but I got to be at him for sure. There's like one time where I'm like very crispy.
That's tomorrow.
I guess I'm standing for
John, help us last year. My son pressed the ball the rest of the
I gave up.
Were you?
Dude, that was one of the
I had to read Yeah, I know. What did I check? Damn it. Meow. Yo, I saw you. Dude.
break.
Break? Yeah, I love it. Oh, I love it. Man.